Okay, to just quickly show the progress, now I added a lot of effects, trails, hits. My AI can actually attack now when they got me in range. Oh. And we got a lot of particles. Now you can also hit the environment and it will have an effect with different sounds and different trails. So in slow motion, maybe even slower than that, you have different trails for light attacks and different trails for heavy attacks. And each weapon will have its own set of different effects, hits and trails. I can still hit those guys on the ground. And I'm using the new hit impact pack that was free for the month on Marketplace this month. And I think it looks absolutely amazing. So thank you. I'll be sharing my progress on the AI soon and some thoughts on how to manage very simple AI that are really lightweight. See you guys soon. Bye.